Welcome, fellow adventurers, to the captivating realm of startups, where dreams take flight, innovation thrives, and audacity knows no bounds. Join me on a thrilling expedition as we unravel the tapestry of startup diversity, where each venture possesses its own charm and unique quest. Let's embark on this exhilarating journey together. The disruptors. In this whirlwind of entrepreneurship, we encounter the disruptors, the fearless pioneers who challenge the status quo with their audacious visions. Armed with disruptive technologies and a desire to reshape industries, they topple giants, reinvent business models, and leave an indelible mark on the world. These brave souls fear neither risk nor failure, for their ambition knows no bounds. The social impact warriors. Behold the social impact warriors, warriors of change armed with a purpose beyond profit. With hearts aflame and a commitment to social good, they craft startups dedicated to solving pressing societal challenges. From empowering marginalized communities to addressing climate change, their ventures are fueled by the belief that business can be a force for positive transformation. The lifestyle enthusiasts. In the land of startups, we encounter the lifestyle enthusiasts, creators of ventures that embrace our passions and enhance our daily lives. Whether it's fitness apps, travel platforms, or wellness brands, they cater to our desires for balance, enjoyment, and personal growth. These startups whisk us away to exotic destinations, fuel our hobbies, and turn our dreams into vibrant realities. The tech innovators. Amidst the startup galaxy, we encounter the tech innovators, the architects of the digital future. With lines of code and groundbreaking algorithms, they unlock the gates to technological marvels. From artificial intelligence to virtual reality, they push boundaries, infuse everyday life with innovation, and transform industries with their tech-powered sorcery. The creative artisans. Behold the creative artisans, the masters of craftsmanship and artistic expression. Armed with brushes, pens, and a burning passion for creativity, they venture into the world of startups to infuse it with beauty and inspiration. From fashion to design to artisanal crafts, their startups ignite our senses and celebrate the boundless imagination of human ingenuity. The service mavericks. In this startup tapestry, we encounter the service mavericks, entrepreneurs who weave together innovation and exceptional customer experiences. From on-demand services to subscription models, they redefine convenience, efficiency, and personalized attention. Armed with smiles and customer centricity, they leave no stone unturned in their quest to delight and serve. So, fellow adventurers, let us revel in the rich tapestry of startup diversity that enchants our world. Each startup, with its unique essence, has the power to inspire, disrupt, and make a lasting impact. Together, we celebrate the audacious spirits that dare to dream, challenge the norm, and embark on extraordinary journeys. Join the ranks of the startup revolution and let your entrepreneurial spirit soar.
Want to learn more? Subscribe for more MINDSHOP lessons.